Have you ever wondered what the most powerful weapon ever created by humans could do? Imagine a force so potent, it could instantly obliterate an entire city and leave an indelible scar on the face of the earth. That's the Tsar Bomba for you, a chilling testament to mankind's destructive prowess. Born out of the fevered pitch of the Cold War, this was no ordinary weapon. The Tsar Bomba was the culmination of an arms race between two superpowers, each striving to outdo the other in a terrifying show of strength. This wasn't just a bomb, it was a statement. A message writ large in the language of nuclear physics and geopolitics. It was a symbol of the lengths humanity was willing to go to assert dominance, even if it meant courting utter annihilation. The Tsar Bomba, a symbol of humanity's capability for destruction, remains unparalleled in its raw power. How did the Tsar Bomba come into existence, you ask? The tale starts in the early 1950s, in the heart of the Cold War. The Soviet Union, locked in an arms race with the United States, sought to outdo their rivals with a show of unprecedented power. The Tsar Bomba, or King of Bombs, was born out of this desire. Its conception was a massive undertaking requiring the collective genius of some of the USSR's brightest minds. They faced a daunting task: to create a bomb of unparalleled force, yet safe enough to handle and transport. The development process was fraught with scientific and technical challenges. Engineers grappled with the complex physics of nuclear fission, while also contending with the practical limitations of size and weight. Every obstacle was meticulously overcome, each triumph bringing them one step closer to their formidable goal. The Tsar Bomba was not just a weapon, it was a testament to human ingenuity and scientific prowess. The detonation of the Tsar Bomba was a moment that shook the world. On that fateful day, in October of 1961, the colossal mushroom cloud erupted over the Novaya Zemlya archipelago in the Arctic Sea. The Tsar Bomba, the king of all bombs, was unleashed. The detonation process was meticulously planned. The bomb was dropped from an aircraft flying at a height of over 34,000 feet, with a parachute attached to slow its descent and provide the crew with enough time to escape the blast radius. The bomb exploded at an altitude of about 13,000 feet, creating a shockwave felt hundreds of miles away. The immediate impact was cataclysmic. The fireball alone was about 5 miles wide. Buildings were flattened within a radius of 35 miles. The heat from the explosion could have caused third-degree burns up to 62 miles away. The shockwave broke windows even at a distance of 500 miles. But the Tsar Bomba didn't just leave physical scars, its detonation had far-reaching political and environmental effects. It escalated the arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union, leading to an increased global anxiety about nuclear warfare. Environmentally, the explosion released massive amounts of radioactive fallout, causing long-term damage to the ecosystem. The detonation of the Tsar Bomba was a moment of terrifying awe, a display of power that left a lasting mark on our world. But what does the Tsar Bomba mean for us today? The Tsar Bomba, a symbol of a time when the world teetered on the brink of nuclear warfare, still holds a significant place in our collective consciousness. It was not just the most potent weapon ever detonated, but a chilling testament to the extent of human potential for destruction. The shockwaves of its detonation reverberated far beyond the physical realm, affecting global politics and sparking nuclear disarmament movements worldwide. The sheer power of the Tsar Bomba prompted nations to reconsider the consequences of nuclear warfare. It kindled an urgency for disarmament, leading to the signing of the Partial Test Ban Treaty in 1963, a crucial step towards curbing nuclear proliferation. The Tsar Bomba also fundamentally altered public consciousness. It vividly illustrated the catastrophic consequences of nuclear warfare, stirring public outcry and bolstering anti-nuclear sentiments. The shift in public opinion played a crucial role in shaping the discourse around nuclear power, pushing for its peaceful use rather than for destructive purposes. Reflecting on the Tsar Bomba's legacy, we've learned invaluable lessons about the perils of unchecked power and the importance of diplomacy over aggression. It has shaped our understanding of nuclear power, reminding us that with great power comes great responsibility. The Tsar Bomba serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power that we hold, a reminder that should guide us as we navigate the future of our world.